everybody. Don McGee here, your wellness strategist and nutrition evangelist. And this month we're talking about minimalist holidays. Some years I love to go all out, visiting, traveling, buying the gifts, doing the events, all of the things. This year that doesn't quite fit. Some of you may know I just had knee replacement surgery. It's why I've been kind of quiet on my lives the last couple of weeks, and I'm recovering great. Much easier than I thought it would be, no complaints, although it's still going to be work, and that is going to be my personal focus for the next handful of weeks. And so that means that I'm going to be taking a more minimalist approach to the holidays, doing the things that matter most. What does that look like? Well, it means we're going to have a little bit more quiet family dinners. Maybe we're not going to do as much crazy socializing. Maybe I'm not going to go to the mall on Black Friday and buy all the things. But I am going to be focusing on experiences and things that we can do together that will make a difference. I don't quite know what that is yet. I'm looking for some great ideas. If you have any, feel free to share them. But that's what I'm focusing on. I'm not running a Black Friday special in my business this year. I didn't feel like it was the right time for it. I am working with the clients that I have to make sure that they are fully supported through all of the things that they are doing this year and next because it's really important that they are successful. That's what I'm here for. Um, and to really just enjoy the simple things in the holiday season. That means, having, like I said, quiet dinners, doing some cooking with my kiddo, going to see some movies, making sure I've got my plans in place for Q1, and making sure that everything that I do is intentional and meaningful, and it's not just volume and extravagance. There are years that we have done that and they were fun. This is not going to be one of them, and I think it's going to be even better. And so, what I challenge you to think about over the coming week is how do you want to live this holiday season? Is this a year of going all out and extravagance for you? Is it a year of quiet celebration and meaningful things? Is it somewhere in between? Because, as always, with our health and with our life and with all the things, I think it's really important to be intentional and mindful about what we do. And over the rest of this month, I'll be talking about what that looks like with regards to how we eat and drink our way through the holiday season, how we move our way through the holiday season, and how we work with the people in our lives and the people in our businesses so that we come out in January happier than we went in. As always, what I hope for you is that you live a life you love without giving up the things that bring you joy. Until next week.